At MI Auto Times, we want our readers to learn about all Chevrolet Michigan vehicles, such as the Chevrolet Equinox, the crossover that fits your life. The Chevrolet Equinox has technology features such as ultrasonic rear parking assist and advanced remote vehicle start. Interior features include Bluetooth wireless technology, USB port connectivity, and a Pioneer Premier 8-speaker sound system. Learn more about the Chevrolet Equinox by visiting our dealership rating section to find a local dealer in your area.